Hi there, this is Veena. Welcome to Patty Cake. Today I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite Goan chicken recipes. Delicious chicken chili fry. This is a finger-licking good chicken fry Goan style. You'll surely love this dish. Now let's start making it. We'll start with 250 grams of boneless chicken. I've cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now we'll marinate this with a few spices. We'll add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon each of crushed garlic and ginger, 1 small sliced onion, 3 tablespoons chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Let's mix the chicken pieces well with the spices and set this aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Here I have a medium-sized potato that weighs 150 grams. I have peeled and washed it. Let's cut it into medium thick slices. And then add enough water to the sliced potatoes to cover them completely. In this pan, I have 2 tablespoons of oil heating on a medium flame. To it, I'll add 3 finely chopped green chilies. I'll saute these for a minute and then add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute these for a few seconds and then add the marinated chicken. We'll saute the chicken for around 2 minutes on medium heat. Then lower the heat and cover the pan and let the chicken cook for 5 minutes. It will be partly cooked by now. I've rinsed the bowl in which I marinated the chicken with 2 tablespoons of water and will now add this to the chicken. Let's give the chicken a stir. Cover it again and let it cook for 5 minutes more on low heat. By now, the chicken will be fully cooked. Let's remove it to a plate. To the same pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil and then throw in the drained potato slices. Let's toss these for around 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat till they are almost done. Then we'll add in half a teaspoon of salt and also 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Let's toss everything well. And then add in 3 medium-sized onions cut into medium thick slices. I cut each of the onions into 2 and sliced each half widthwise. We'll cook the onions for around 2 minutes till they soften a little. It's now time to add in the fried chicken. Let's mix everything and then add in 2 teaspoons of lime juice and mix everything again. Let's taste the chicken chili fry for salt. Perfect. It doesn't need any more salt or any other addition. Finally, we'll add some chopped coriander. Turn off the heat and plate the fried chicken. Looks so good. But let's taste it. I'll put it in just 2 words. Too good. Really too good. I had told you, lip-smacking good. Do give this recipe a shot in your own kitchen. I guarantee everyone will want a second helping. Before I sign off, a quick request to share and like the video and become a subscriber for more tasty dishes like this. Bye for now, and till we meet again, happy cooking!